In this short video, I will show you how to place apps anywhere in iPhone home screen in iOS 18. To place your apps randomly on your iPhone home screen, first of all, make sure to update the iOS 18 in your iPhone. Once you are using iOS 18 now, just go to the home page or home screen where you want to add apps randomly. So now just tap on a blank space, and now I'm going to adding some apps into this home page. So from my library, I'm going to dragging and dropping some apps randomly. As you can see, I can add apps anywhere. So that's how. Go ahead and add apps anywhere in your iPhone home screen. So this is how we can randomly place apps in iPhone home screen in iOS 18. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.